In order to develop the ethos within the college, we've engaged with the learners in a number of different ways. First of all, through the curriculum, we've encouraged them to take part in a bilingual unit which really teaches them about the language, the culture and the heritage of Wales. We've also got them involved in things like Dydd Gwyl St David's Day, Santes Dwynwen, Ffair Nadolig, which is something that we've introduced this year, and also the Ethos Gymraeg, the Welsh week within the college, in which a number of students engaged in projects about industry in Wales, which was very popular and motivational for them. I'm very pleased as well that learners have developed Lolfa, which is a Welsh language magazine across the college. We've had 7 editions of that now, and it covers a whole range of topics, from meeting who the staff involved in developing the Welsh language are, to the various trips that learners have been on as part of Lolfa, to go and see Jonathan, which seems to be an annual event now, and even some social activities such as surfing have taken place in the past, where members of staff have taken Welsh language speakers on trips.